Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're going to start by verifying basics that matter: connectivity, storage, and account sync. First, make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data loads a web page. Once done, toggle connection if it fails. Next, free at least 100-200 MB of app storage by removing large media or one unused app. This prevents package unpack errors. Then reboot the phone. After it restarts, open Settings and confirm your Google account is signed in and sync is enabled, because Play needs that authorization to install. Now you'll clear app-level issues that block installs. Go to Settings Apps, pick Google Play Store, and clear cache. If problems persist, clear storage. That resets local data but not purchases. Do the same for Google Play Services and Download Manager. Once cleared, force stop Play Store, then relaunch it and attempt the install. If installs still fail, verify Play Store is up to date. An outdated version can break compatibility, so update it directly or side. Load the official APK carefully. Finish with account and system-level remedies while keeping data safety in mind. If you see authentication errors, remove your Google account and add it back. This refreshes tokens. If multiple apps fail, reset app preferences to restore disabled services. Only consider a factory reset as a last resort after backing up. If problems continue, run Play Protect and capture installation error codes or logcat output. That diagnostic info points to permission, signature, or storage corruption issues and guides the next targeted fix.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.